Hey guys! Welcome to my channel. Again, I am Cyril Claire Dumale, a financial wealth manager. I am welcoming you back here because today I'll be giving you a very insightful conversation, and it is about how can you refer clients. Eto guys, madalas akong tanungin, Cyril, sino ba ang pwede kong i-refer sa'yo? Well, let me make it simple. Hindi naman kailangan milyonaryo sila. Hindi rin kailangan na marami na silang investment. Ang hinahanap ko ay ang mga tao na merong sobrang lalim na why. Mga taong may dahilan kung bakit sila nagsisipag araw-araw. And to help you better, eto na po. Number 1 ay people with dependents. Ito yung mga taong may sinusuportahan sa araw-araw para mabuhay. It could be their children, their spouse, their parent, anyone who's dependent on their income. In short, sila yung pumapasok sa trabaho kahit pagod. Sila yung nagsusumikap kahit mahirap kasi nga meron silang ipinaglalaban at yun ay ang mga mahal nila sa buhay. And this is exactly where financial protection becomes very important. Number 2, people with stable income and extra funds. So bakit ko to sinasabi? Because at the end of the day, ay ang Pilipinas ay hindi naman talaga lahat ay capable to buy a life insurance plan. Marami ako na-encounter na instead of getting an insurance policy, ipangkakain na lang nila sa araw-araw. Therefore, I am looking for people who have stable income, an income that can afford to get a life insurance policy. Hindi naman kailangan malaki agad. Ang importante, they have the willingness to start small and build something para sa future ng mga mahal nila sa buhay. Kasi naniniwala ako, yung pagbibuild naman ng magandang future, it's not how much you have now, it's how much you will have how many years from now. Third, of course, is someone who's healthy. So I'm looking for healthy individuals because when you are healthy, you definitely have more opportunities na ma-approve to different types of life insurance products. But if someone has maintenance already, kagaya ng hypertension and diabetes, we do not automatically reject them naman. Of course, we can still assess and baka kaya pa. Pwede nating itry. I have a client na hindi na talaga insurable because of his health condition. So what he did was to insure his children. He will be the policy owner and the insured are the children. We call that borrowed lives. Lastly is people who are interested on having deep conversations. Kasi yung financial planning, hindi lang siya about magkano ang premium. It's about asking, sino ang gusto mong protektahan? Ano ang gusto mong ma-achieve? What happens to your family if something happens to you? Most importantly, anong klaseng future ang pinaghahandaan mo para sa kanila? Those are the conversations na gusto kong i-share sa mga tao na i-refer nyo sa akin. So if you know someone na may mga qualities na apat na yon, please introduce them to me. You don't need to convince them. You don't need to sell them anything. Just tell them na you know someone na pwede kang tulungan in terms of reviewing your financial protection and future plans. I am always ready to help those who are important to you. Message me and refer someone today.